All right, we are here on Barry's 75 Granville. I'm going to change the fuel pump, and I'm going to change the hoses as well, because this cracking is not good. Yeah. That's how things burn to the ground. So, also going to do our hoses. I might have to run and get some quarter. But other than that, it'll be all right. That's not good. All right, so we're having trouble getting our fitting started, and I noticed that the very end of it here is chewed up and kind of rounded off. Well, that explains why there was Teflon tape all over this. Let's go back to our old one. The old pump out. Ugh. You can see the Teflon and the edge is all chewed up there. It appears somebody cross-threaded this and sent it home, which explains why it was so hard to get undone. Fun. So we get to make a new hard line. Yep. Looking on the other end of the hard line, Teflon tape all over this too. Yay, we have to make one. Fun. So very fun. Fresh pump. Got this all situated now. Undid it up at the carb. So I made it a little more flexible. Got it in there. Everything's tight. New rubber lines.